Today we will learn that how to add elements in a set. So at first I will declare my set here. I am naming my set as set1 and adding some elements 1, 2, 6. Okay, up to 6, 1 to 6. These are my set elements. Now I want to add another element in my set1. Suppose I want to add 7. So to do that I will just write my set name, which is set1 dot add, and inside add I will write the element I want to add, which is 7. Now if I print my set, we can see that the 7 is updated. Okay, now we will learn that how to add items from another set to the current set. We will use update method. So first of all I will declare another set here. So set2 is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 10 suppose. Okay, now I want to update the set1 with set2. So I will write here set1 dot update and the name of my second set, which is set2. Okay, now if I print my updated set, which is set1, we can see here that the two sets are merged together. Okay, the object in the update method does not have to be a set. It can be any iterable object like tuples, list, dictionaries, etc. Suppose in this case I want to add a set and a list. Okay, so to do that I will declare here a list. Suppose list1 is equal to 12, 56, 34, 23. Okay, now I will just replace the set2 with list1. Now if I try to print my updated set, which is set1, we can see that here the list and the set are merged together. Okay, so that's how we can add any list, tuple or dictionaries with a set using the update method. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.